would like to present about our FYP1. Our project title is Automated Groundnut Shelling Machine using Arduino Uno with 12-volt DC motor and photoelectric sensor. For the first thing, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Aina Nadila binti Kusnan.
My name is Nur Alia binti Alias.
Yeah, I would like to explain about our project background. The first one is this machine is a machine that serves as a peeling peanut skin, which is an important basic ingredient in the manufacture. The second one is this machine has been created in two different categories. The first type of machine is that it operates manually, which uses manpower. And the fourth type is, in the second type is this machine operates automatically. This machine was created to increase the quantity of peanuts that have been peeled and can be marketed more widely in large quantities. At the B side of the slide, as the panels can see, there are two pictures. The blue one is the example of hand-operated groundnut peeler, and the green one is the example of automatic groundnut peeler. And then I will learn about the first is about peanuts. Peanuts require a lot of energy and pressure to break the shell because the shell is almost hard to break up. So the second one is in the old days, labor and farmers were used to peel the peanuts, and then the process of peeling peanuts has become slow to produce in large quantities to market. The third one is about the amount of manpower employed. Usually they have to use many manpower employed because they want to produce a lot of large quantities of peanuts. So when that thing happens, the employee may experience back, arm, and finger pain. And then the fourth one is the machine that has been created has its own advantage and disadvantage. For example, according to the size, there are machines that will be too small and too big. For the last one is the entrepreneurs who have business in the food sector, which involves the use of peanuts, have to buy ready shelled peanuts in a factory or a shop. Maybe they have entrepreneurs that have a business, that small business, and they have to use large quantities of peanuts. Then maybe the large machine doesn't suitable with their small factory, so they have to buy the ready shelled peanuts at the factory or shop, and they have to pay at a slightly higher price than the usual one. Okay, for the literature review, there are three types that have been created before, which is mini, hand-operated, and automated machine industry. And we would like to build the automated machine that have a medium size lah. So the first one is mini. The method of operation for mini is use manpower, and it costs low cost. The quality of also low. The suitability is for home use only or private use. The quantities that can produce the peanuts is small, and it takes a long time to shell the peanut. And then for the hand-operated groundnut sheller, the method of operation using manpower, it also low cost, and the quality also low because they have to use hand, and it's suitable for small business. Quantity still that can be produced at one time is moderate, and the time taken to get the moderate quantities are long. So the third one is automated machine industry. The method of operation is DC motor, is high cost and high quality, also suitable for big factory. The quantities that can produce the peeled peanut is too large. The time taken short. And then the automated machine that we will produce, that we will create is method of operation is DC motor. It costs high cost, and the quality also high, and it's suitable for sole proprietor. Means for women that have a business and have a small factory. And then the quantities that can produce is large and the time taken is short. So the project aim I will give to Alia.
So now, my name is Nur Alia binti Alias. I will explain about the project aim. Next. The project aim of our project is to build an automated ground-up shelling machine that can be operated by using Arduino Uno with 12-volt DC motor and photoelectric sensor, which is through beam sensor. Next. The objective of our project is to build automated ground-up shelling machine using Arduino Uno with 12-volt DC motor. Second, to design the automated ground-up shelling machine. And third, to apply photoelectric sensor, which is through beam sensor, to make the machine move automatically. So for the scope of project is, first, this project use Arduino Uno REV3 at Mega 328P as a controller. This project also use photoelectric sensor which are through beam to detect the peanut that can move the peeling roller automatically. And the last of the scope of project is the design of the project can be optimized to reduce the vibration. Next. Next. So now I will explain about the block diagram. So first, we have the 12 battery, and it can run the Arduino Uno. Is go to the true beam sensor, which is photoelectric sensor for the emitter, and second, true beam photoelectric.
Jam.
Sensor for the receiver, and input to servo motor and
Bisu dah, bisu.
Jam.
Saya sambung kaya.
Okey, sambung ya Aina.
Sambung.
Okay, from Arduino, the Arduino have a regulator, also through beam photoelectric sensor receiver. And then the 5 volt also will go to servo motor, and the motor driver we have a PWM signal. And the motor driver also will get the 12 volt from battery, and the motor driver will go to 12 volt DC motor. The circuit, and it will go to exhaust fan. Alia, you can continue.
Okay, sorry, my line is problem. So next, I will explain about the software that we use. First, we use Arduino Ide. Second, Protest X Professional, and lastly, AutoCAD. Next. For Arduino Ide, Arduino is programming language software. It is used to write and upload a string of code to be uploaded onto the microcontroller. Next, for the Protest X Professional. Next slide.
Dah.
Tak keluar pun.
Keluar tak AutoCAD? Tak keluar ke?
Tak keluar.
Tak apalah, aku terangkan je.
Siapa bertukang tu?
Putus.
AutoCAD. Dah keluar ke? Belum.
Tak keluar.
Okay. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software developed by the company Autodesk, hence the name is AutoCAD. It allows to draw and edit digital 2D and 3D designs more quickly and easily. So for the Protest Professional, this software provides an electronic sketch which enables users to create schematics together with the electronic and PCB board. Ada nampak material use tak?
Tak keluar. Sekejap.
Saya dengar orang bertukang je ni.
Lain problem. Ya Allah.
Rumah siapa tengah bertukang tu?
Nah, dah.
Okay, next. Cepat, next.
For the material use, we will use Arduino Uno, L293N motor driver, hopper, mild steel plate and mild steel hollow, gear, chain, true beam photoelectric sensor, 12-volt battery, 12-volt DC motor, servo motor, and we will proceed to the planning and the Gantt chart. Our estimated costing cost almost 1,939 Sing. And then this is our Gantt chart. Okay, for the preliminary project outcomes, this is a flow chart. From the start, firstly we will push the on-off button, and then if the switch is on, the motor will running. But the pillar was not running yet because after it detect the peanut using the sensor, then the peanut will fall into the pipe PVC, and then from that, the servo motor will open the lid for the peanuts to go into the shelling section, and then the peanut is peeling from there, and then for the next shelling, they will go to from the first peanut, and then they will go over and over. And if the process is failed, it will go to off. They will off. And then this is a schematic diagram that I draw from Proteus. It has servo motor and motor driver, and 12-volt DC motor. And then this is our coding for this is the coding for Arduino Uno with L293D motor driver and 12-volt DC motor, and the Arduino with servo motor. And this is the body design that we designed from AutoCAD. There is a front view and there is a side view. Okay, for the conclusion, on this for the final project one on this semester, we managed to reach 50% of the entire project based on the requirements needed to build this project. Overall, the project went well according to the work plan.
Okay, panel 1, Nancy Razi, question.
Dekat base schematic diagram.
Nancy Razi.
Yes, okay.
Schematic diagram, okay. In your project, you use relay. Are you use relay to turn on your motor?
Relay circuit.
Huh?
No. For the servo motor, I use Arduino.
Okay, go back to your previous slide. Previous slide.
Oh, previous. Ini ke?
No, component.
Oh, component.
Previous slide ni dan next slide ni. Lagi. Next. Semua lagi. Next slide. Next lagi. Oh. Next lagi next. Lagi schematic.
Oh, schematic.
Okay. For Arduino, direct to the motor, to the driver.
The Arduino direct to the servo motor, and then the Arduino also direct to the motor driver that have a 12 volt DC motor.
Okay. Right. Go to the scope of project. One last question. Scope of project. Okay. The last one. How you ensure that your design can be used, can reduce the vibration?
Because maybe we use
Maybe. You able to test your design.
we the design of the project can be optimized reduce of the vibration because we use because when the pinnet, because the roller, the pinnet roller, we make it we plan to make it ourselves, not to buy, because if we buy the price is so high, so we plan to do it ourselves. And then the machine is not too big and not too small. It's just medium size, and we think the vibration, we can reduce the vibration.
Okay, never mind. Okay, thank you, Maimin. Thank you for your answer.
Okay. One last question only. What is the main difference your machine with existing machine?
Apa dia Sis?
What is the difference between your machine and existing machine?
Our machine have a sensor that when we put the peanuts on the hopper, then when the servo motor let the peanut go to the peeling section, and the peanuts will peel with optimum state, and we can ensure that all the peanuts we can ensure that all the peanuts are being peeled, because the peanut not go
FYP
to apa dia,
Continue.
Okay.
because
Okay,
the
thank you.
peanut
Thank you.
Why you use
Okay, right.
AutoCAD instead of SolidWorks to design the mechanical part?
Why you use AutoCAD?
First, we want to use the SolidWorks, but I think when I go to YouTube and learn about AutoCAD, I think I can use the AutoCAD.
Oh, you're right. Thank you for your presentation.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Cynthia.
thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Next. Ini laki ke sini.